U.S. defense giant Northrop Grumman has provided the first definitive photo of its series hybrid electric propulsion aircraft demonstration drone, also known as XRQ-73. The hybrid electric propulsion system aims to provide a more efficient, longer endurance flight capability. The first flight of the XRQ-73 is expected by year-end 2024. The Swedish Defense Administration has signed a contract for acquisition of 12 additional helicopter units, known globally as the Sikorsky A-60M Black Hawk. The contract will be executed through the U.S. Foreign Military Sales Program, which facilitates the sale of military equipment to allied nations. South Korea is gearing up to deploy innovative laser weapon systems to counter the increasing threat posed by North Korean drones. The Defense Acquisition Program Administration has announced a significant contract with Hanwha Aerospace worth $73 million to develop these systems. Ukrainian soldiers from the 68th Jaeger Brigade have successfully captured one of Russia's most modern T-90M main battle tanks. The tank was reportedly abandoned on the battlefield during a recent Russian assault and was subsequently evacuated by a Ukrainian driver in a daring operation.